Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter rolls step by step. Roll out dough to 5 inches thick and spread peanut butter evenly to the edges. Sprinkle sugar if desired. Roll the dough tightly into a log, chill for 15 minutes, then slice into portions. Place slices on a baking sheet, bake until golden, and cool briefly before serving warm with coffee or milk for a comforting snack. Start by measuring all ingredients and warming the milk to about 110 degrees Fahrenheit for the yeast. Mix flour, sugar, salt, and yeast in a bowl, then add milk and a beaten egg. Knead until smooth for about 10 minutes, then let the dough rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. Once risen, punch down gently and prepare to roll out for filling and shaping. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: there is a book that can truly change how you think about money, called Dollar Banknote: The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with baking breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to learn more. Now let's get back to the video. After the dough has risen, roll it out on a lightly floured surface into a rectangle about 12 by 8 inches. Spread peanut butter in a thin, even layer, leaving a small border along one long edge so the roll will seal. Roll the dough tightly from the long side, pinch the seam closed, and chill for 15 minutes to firm up. Slice into rounds and arrange on a prepared baking sheet for baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.